Hello guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. Today we're gonna have a look at the concept of internal mixing. It is about managing the volume of your different instruments, for example, snare drum, bass drum and hi-hat. You can often tell apart the more experienced drummer from the less experienced drummer by this concept. When two drummers play the same groove, but it sounds and feel very different, then usually it comes down to internal mixing. It makes a huge difference if you are just concerned while playing a groove with hitting the things at the right time, or if you take the intensity and volume into consideration as well. To pull this internal mixing thing off, we have to practice to vary the volume of one limb at a time while maintaining the same volume with the other limbs. Most of the times we go for solid bass drum, snare drum and tom hits, while going quieter on the cymbals. I usually use one microphone above my drum kit and one in front of the bass drum, so I have to get the internal mixing right in the beginning. I can't change anything afterwards. We give it a try on a relatively simple groove. We play 4 bars the regular groove, and then throughout the next 4 bars raise the volume of one instrument before turning to the regular groove again. And at first we raise the volume of the hi-hat, in the next round the volume of the snare drum, and in the third round the volume of the bass drum. And we circle it 4 times through. Make sure while raising the volume of one limb to maintain the same volume with the other ones. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we do the opposite. We decrease the volume of one limb at a time and again circle 4 times through. Make sure to go quieter only with the one limb and maintaining the volume of the others. Great done, everyone. Repeat this exercise a good amount of time in the next weeks so you can really change your internal mixing at will. And make it a habit to pay attention to at what volume you're playing your instruments at. And if it's the right mix or if you should change something while playing a groove. After a while, it will become second nature to you, and you will apply the concept without even thinking about it and make your grooves sound rock solid. Okay, that's it for now. Have fun. See you next time.